Uh, Probably my favorite tradition
Yeah.
is to go to a Christmas tree farm, and we cut down our Christmas tree and we get our Christmas tree. It's real. It's
So it's
authentic.
natural, not
Yeah, it's a
fake.
natural. No, it's not fake. It's a
Wow.
natural tree. And
So it has a smell, right?
yes, oh my, you
Wow.
understand. You
Yeah, smell of
understand.
the forest.
Well, hello.
Hello, Rebecca.
How's it going?
It's going fabulous. How
Oh,
about
good.
you?
It's also going fabulous. Thank you for asking. Yes, it's good to see you again. It's been a long time.
Yeah, it's been a long time, but I have a tutor here on Cambly. She hasn't opened her schedule for a long time. Why did you take so long to open new spots?
Ah, don't call me out. Oh my gosh. It's honestly, teaching is something that is going to be like, I will do it when I have time, but I
Uh-huh.
can't do it all the time because I have other jobs and other things that I'm trying to do. And so I love teaching, but here's here's my work, here's my school, here's
Yeah,
teaching.
he's
So
teaching. Yeah, I know.
teaching is kind
You
of
have
just,
like
I
a
love
tight
it. I love
schedule.
it, but I do. So I'm sorry it's been a very long time, but you caught
No
me. You
worries.
caught me.
Yeah, but you have regulars.
I have a lot of regulars, which I was
Yeah.
really I was actually surprised. I mean, I knew that I had them. I guess I just forgot. So then
Yeah.
when I came back, all these
Yeah.
people are sending me a message like, "Oh my gosh, Rebecca, we missed you." And I was like, "Wow, I forgot, I guess." So, but you know what? It feels good because I feel like I am loved. So it feels good.
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. At the moment that you open your new spots on Cambly for tutoring,
Mhm.
I I got like a notification. Rebecca
Yeah.
is online.
Yeah.
So I just called Marcelo. Marcelo, Rebecca is back. Jolson, Rebecca
I
is back.
know. I know.
All my friends like, yeah, we know. We got like the same notification. Wow.
I think this is so funny because I talked to Joelson first. I think, like, the first day that I came
Uh-huh.
back, I talked to
Yeah.
Joelson, and Joelson told me the same thing. He said, "Ahmed called me and was like, 'Rebecca has a schedule,'" and Marcelo said the same. I love it. I think it's
Yeah,
great.
it's a beautiful coincidence. Like I was like trying to text him, and he at the same moment he texted me like, Rebecca's back. Yeah, I know Rebecca's back. Yeah,
I know, that's what I'm saying. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. You guys, you flatter me, so thank you.
no worries. So let's talk about like since like we are during like Christmas days. I want to talk about like a Christmas. So what's like the American there,
Yes.
the common habits that you
Yes.
guys use it on Christmas Day?
Yes. Okay. Well, I'm actually unusual
Mm.
because most Americans, especially my friends and family,
Yeah,
they decorate for Christmas and prepare for Christmas
yeah.
in September and October. So early, so early. But
Uh-huh.
me, I usually wait until the end of November or the beginning of December before I decorate. And probably my favorite tradition
Yeah.
is to go to a Christmas tree farm, and we cut down our Christmas tree and we get our Christmas tree. It's real. It's
So it's
authentic.
natural,
Yeah,
not
it's a
fake.
natural. No, it's not fake. It's a
Wow.
natural tree. And
So it has a smell, right?
yes, oh my, you
Wow.
understand. You
Yeah, smell of
understand.
the forest.
I was trying to explain this to Marcelo. I was trying to explain to him the
Yeah.
smell of a real Christmas tree because I love it. I have this candle, and
Yeah.
it's Christmas tree.
Wow, it's
It
amazing.
smells like a Christmas tree. And
Yeah.
Marcelo was so confused. Marcelo was like, "What are you talking about? A Christmas tree? It smells?" And I was like, "Yes, it smells amazing. They have this wonderful smell."
Yeah, because
So
I know. Yes, I know. Some American, they like to get like the natural Christmas tree. I like when they sell them on the stores, like the
yes,
fake one.
yes, which is okay because it's cheaper. You know,
It's
you can buy
cheaper, yeah.
one tree for 15 years, you know. But
Yeah.
for me, it's worth it because I love how it looks and I love the smell and also the tradition for me to go and buy a tree every year. I love this. It's a really good tradition for me. Um,
So how about the other tradition? Like for me, on December, I used to every year to watch Home Alone movie. How about you?
yes, I
Like
just
I have to
yes,
watch the two parts.
yes. I just watched this Home Alone
Yeah,
last week. I think I watched the movie.
yeah.
I love it. It's such a cute movie. But this year, I'll tell you, this
Mhm.
year, you know, Christmas is on December 25th,
Do you
right?
have any recommendation?
So I have a list of 25 movies to watch
Wow.
every day, every day in December, one every day,
Related with the Christmas.
all Christmas,
Uh-huh.
all Christmas. I think that one of my favorite, okay, is Elf. Have you seen this? Elf.
Alf.
So good. Such a
Alf.
good movie.
Let me write it down.
Yes, write
A
it down.
A L
EL
EL
F.
F. Just
That's it.
Elf?
Just Elf.
Uh-huh.
That's it.
Wow.
This
It's
one,
yeah.
so good. It's actually really similar to Home Alone. It's like a comedy and it's kind of silly. It's kind of a joke, I guess, a lot of the movie, but it's really
Yeah.
cute. I like it. But yeah, I have 25 movies on here. Most of the movies I've never seen before, so I don't have recommendations yet. But
Yeah.
after December, I'll have lots of recommendations because I'm watching them for the first time. So
Maybe I will call you
I'll
next year to ask you about your
there you go.
list.
There you go. There you go. Next year, I'll have an updated list. I'll get rid of all the ones that
Yeah,
are no good.
since my teacher opened her schedule only on December, so
Once a year.
I have to, yeah, I have to wait here next year.
Once a year, yeah.
Yeah,
But we watch a whole lot of Christmas movies, but a tradition in my family is
yeah.
we have one specific movie that we watch on Christmas Eve every single year, and the movie is called It's a Wonderful Life. It's a Wonderful Life.
It's a Wonderful Life. Uh-huh. It's for Christmas.
Yes, Christmas movie, and it's I don't know why, it's our family's tradition. We always watch it on Christmas Eve, and on Christmas Eve we open one gift. Everyone opens just one gift, and
One gift.
then yes, and then
So
Christmas Day we open all of the other
so
gifts.
who bring all these gifts?
Well, this year it's only me and my boyfriend. You might can see some of the gifts under here, just a few. Um, and then I already sent all of the other gifts to my family in New York and other states. I had to send all of them in the mail because
Did they open their gifts, or
uh
they
they're waiting.
postpone?
They're waiting. Yes, they're waiting
Uh-huh.
until the
Uh-huh.
25th. Yep. Yep, which
Yeah.
is good for me. Marcelo said that he does not wait until Christmas Day. He opens the presents early, and I think that's terrible. I have to wait until Christmas Day.
Yeah, I used to do that like on on a Christmas, not on a Christmas, on New Year Eve. Okay,
Oh yeah.
yeah. So I bring like so many gifts for my kids, and I convince them that go sleep, and tomorrow you will see so many gifts. So
Yes.
who brings all these gifts? It's Santa Claus.
Oh
So
no.
Santa Claus in Arabic we call it Baba Noel.
Papa Noel. Ah, yes, it's like in French. In French it's Papa Noel.
Yeah, Baba
Yes.
Noel. So it's a Santa Claus. Santa Claus
Uh,
will give you so many gifts. So well,
yes.
yeah, they are there. And sometimes
Yeah.
they stay up like at midnight just to wait
Oh, to wait to see.
so hey, Santa Claus.
to
Oh,
see him.
yeah, he's
Oh,
like
no.
he's like giving some kids their their gifts, and then we'll come here to our home. I convinced them.
When I was growing up, my parents would not let us believe in Santa Claus. They told us he's not real.
It's fake.
Santa Claus is fake. Yes, they
Wow.
and it was actually really bad because my family went to a Christmas party with a lot of other people, a lot of other families,
Mhm.
and one of the kids is talking to me, and
Yeah.
we're both very young, and we're
Yeah.
talking to each other, and the kid is talking about Santa Claus, and I say, "Santa Claus isn't real." And
It's fake.
the kid was like, "What are you talking about?" And I was like, "Santa Claus is fake."
It's fake.
And the other family was so angry because they were like, "Rebecca ruined it for our child. She
Yeah.
ruined Santa Claus."
Yeah,
Terrible.
like
It was
Santa Claus,
terrible.
it's a part of our our childhood.
Not me.
Yeah,
Not
you
my
are right.
childhood.
You are
Absolutely
right.
not. All right, Ahmed. Well, we're out of
Yeah.
time, but it was so
Yeah.
good to see you again. It's been a
Thank you
long
so much.
time. You're welcome.
I have 3 sessions, more 3 sessions.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, we'll talk more next time. I'll see you
Yeah.
soon.
Thank you so much. Bye
Bye.
bye.